Today I'm going to be showing you my dog's stuff. And let's get started. So here's his bed and his toys. And here is his food where we pour. This is a container where we pour, and sometimes we reach our hand into it and drop it into the bowl. Here's his bowl, and as you can see, there's like some water and some food left in the bowls. Here's his kennel, and that wet stuff is just from his water container. See his water container? And here's a cabinet right here for his stuff. There's his pee bag, and here's his brush. We use an electric toothbrush to make him more comfortable when grooming him because it makes the same sound as the shaver. And now, here's a scissors so we can cut him ourselves. We don't really have a shaver, so we just use this. We use this if there's little long bits, but the groomer doesn't really cut his body because our puppy, he's too little for that. Here's his teething sticks. See, puppy teething sticks. It's dental. He likes them, and they're hard to break, but they're a little easy to bend. Here's his collar. He doesn't really wear his collar. You see? And now I'm going to show him, and I'm going to show you some of his other treats. Some of his other treats are right here. Here is his milk bone. It has all 4 meaty flavors. Here's his Blue Bites. It's yummy to him, and it's tasty, and it has a chicken recipe. And the treats are shaped like a heart. And here's his other one. It's canned. It's right here. Wilderness Blue Puppy. For a puppy, you don't really use this. That's why the can isn't open. And so, yeah, that's all his stuff. Oh yeah, and we use this to bathe him. Use it like this tub in the laundry room to bathe him. And here's his shampoo. And yeah, that's all. My dad has his leash. And I'm going to go outside and show you. Actually, he's just taking my puppy for a walk, so I'll show you the leash in the next video. Okay? Bye. And I'll see you next time. And make sure to like and subscribe, and check if you make sure you write if you like my puppy stuff or not in the comments down below. See you next time.